everyone, and a special hello to Bailey, Valerie, Olive, and Athena. You too, Hendrix. Have you ever wondered how a grandfather clock like this keeps time? Or how about a cuckoo clock? Well, let me give you some ideas. Do you see the thing that's swinging back and forth? That is called a pendulum. And the pendulum determines how fast or how slow the clock goes. Let me show you. I can make a pendulum out of anything that will hang from a piece of string. Like this. You see it swinging back and forth? Okay. Now, the more rapidly it swings back and forth, the faster the clock goes. How do you make it swing back and forth more rapidly? Watch this. You see what's different about it? The pendulum is shorter now. So it swings back and forth faster. Now let me make it even shorter. Now it's about what a cuckoo clock, pendulum looks like. You see how much faster it goes? Now if we wanted to go really slow, slower, longer, shorter, faster. So you can change the height of a pendulum, and that changes how fast or how slowly a pendulum clock, like a grandfather clock or a cuckoo clock, goes. So that's a little something to know about how a pendulum clock, like a cuckoo clock or a grandfather clock, works. Now let's have another mystery, and that is, have you ever wondered what makes an object float or sink? Well, let's see if we can find out. This little bottle right now is empty. Nothing in there but air. Okay. So let's put this in the water and it floats. But now, what if we put things in the bottle? These are heavy. Some of them are made out of lead, which is very heavy. And we just keep putting more of these in, and more, and more. Pretty soon we'll get to where it's as full as we can get it, okay? Now what do you think happens to how much it weighs when I put these objects in here? Do you think it's heavier now than it was before? Let's see what happens when we put it into the water. All the way to the bottom, it sank. So what determines whether an object floats or sinks? How heavy it is. It's heavier now, so it sank. Sorry about the noise. It's lighter now, so it floats. And that's how you can tell whether an object is going to float or sink. Now, one more thing we want to look at today. You ever wonder why people wear glasses? Or use magnifying glasses to see things? Well, let's see if we can find out. I'm going to see if I can get light to shine through a magnifying glass. And first, I have to turn on the light. First, I have to find the flashlight. And here it is, it was hiding on me. Okay. Let's bring it back on. Here we are. See the flashlight? Yeah. Do you see how it shines on my shirt? It just lights up the whole front of the shirt, doesn't it? Now, let's make that light go through a magnifying glass. Look what happened to the front of my shirt. Now, how do I make that circle of light bigger? By either bringing the magnifying glass closer to the light or farther away. I can make it really tiny like that, or bring it in closer. Now the reason that happens is because the light bends. It changes direction when it goes through the glass. Sometimes the light rays can be made to go closer together, and sometimes they can be made to go further apart. And that's how eyeglasses and magnifying glasses do their job of making objects easier to see. I hope you enjoyed everything. And time to say bye-bye.